Hello, and welcome to the world of automation with a special focus on Microsoft Copilot in Power Automate. Copilot isn't just another feature, it's a game changer for professionals like us who strive for efficiency and smart solutions in business. It's the helping hand that works with you to navigate through complex workflows and simplifies the automation process. Today, I'll show you how Copilot's AI driven insights can be leveraged within Power Automate to not only save time, but also to innovate the way we work. Whether you're looking to automate routine tasks or complex processes, Copilot is here to guide you every step of the way. So let's take a look at Power Automate. So as soon as we open it up, we have our normal Power Automate menus, but at the top, now we see Copilot, where it's asking us for a prompt to get us started. We can still manually go through and do stuff, but we can use this to get us jump started right where we want to be. So inside here, we use a prompt, and remember with our prompts, there's 3 steps to a good prompt. There's a goal, there's context, and then there's the expectation. So I'm working with a team supporting customers with their implementation of Microsoft Teams phones. That's the context. When someone fills out a Microsoft form for support, I would like it to add that information to an Excel spreadsheet and also send them an email with a link to the training course. All right, so let's go ahead and generate. But before we do that, here's descriptions of some suggestions that are available. But I'm going to go with mine. So let's generate. So it's working on it. It's taking my prompt. It's trying to understand what I have. So when a new response is submitted in Microsoft Forms, we want to get the response details. We want to add a row into a table and send an email. That's exactly what I asked it to do. So let's take a look. So I hit next, and it's giving us the connected apps. So it's making sure that all of my information is connected to the apps and services, and I'm creating the flow. Bam, here we go. And once we're in here, now all you have to do is click on it, and it opens up over to the side. You can pick the form that you want to use, get the response details from it, just like that. But you also notice Copilot in the window off to the right. So it's gone through and it's giving us a play-by-play of what we have, what I've asked it to do, right? It's connected. It's giving us the information here. I can also ask it to do other things and add that onto there. So I can also say, add to a SharePoint list. So now it's going through and it's working on it and it's trying to understand what I'm trying to do. So it's removing those, and there we go. So it's creating an item now. And I'm connected to SharePoint to be able to do that. So it's easy enough just to type in what we want it to do off to the right and have it adjust over here. We can still edit and do what we need to do and add other parameters by hitting the plus, right? We can still go through, add an action, and find out what we want to do. Build AIs, 365. We can do that and search for it. Or we can skip all the searching process, come over here and ask it a question on how we can do things. We can even ask questions on how we should do things, and it will help give responses on that. So that is how Copilot works in Power Automate to make your life easier and more efficient.